expanding the algebraic expression of the form a minus b a squared plus ab plus b squared. Now, let's expand the algebraic expression of the form shown in the following on screen. To see what it gives. Applying the known rules on expanding brackets for this expression, we obtain the following shown on screen. In this way, we obtain the sixth special algebraic identity shown in the following on screen. This identity, and the next one that is similar, are very important because they shorten the original expression. Example. Write the expression 2x minus 3y for x squared plus 6 times y plus 9y squared in the simplest form. Solution. It is easy to observe that this is an expression of the form shown in the following on screen, where a equals 2x and b equals 3y. Giving that, after expanding, this expression shortens too much based on the formula, we have the following shown on screen. We don't need to make operations with all terms, but simply write the following as shown on screen. That is all for lesson 6.3.7. To continue this tutorial, please watch 6.3.8. Expanding the algebraic expression of the form a plus b a squared minus ab plus b squared. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.